Hello and welcome to this video tutorial on how to use the TI-84 Plus calculator to graph linear inequalities. As you can see here, I have the TI-84 calculator open, and I will show you how to go through the steps of how to graph a general linear inequality. We will start with y is greater than or equal to 3x minus 2. You can see that it is greater than or equal to by the symbol on the far left side. Once you hit graph, you can see the graph of this linear inequality. Y is greater than or equal to 3x minus 2. If you hit trace, you can see the intercepts of this graph and use the arrow keys to scroll on the x-axis and the y-axis and find the intercepts. You can hit clear if you want to clear out this graph. Go back to y equals and hit clear again if you want to enter something else to graph. If we go all the way to the left side, this is where we change the symbol from either just plain y equals, which is what you see here, or you could also change it to greater than or equal to or less than or equal to. Now I have it just y equals 3x plus 2. Now I will hit graph. Notice that this is the graph of y equals 3x plus 2. There is no shading because this is not an inequality. If I want to see the intercept, I hit trace and scroll. Going back to the y equals screen, I'm going to clear this out and show you how we can graph the inequality y is less than or equal to. There's the symbol for less than or equal to. And this is going to be y is less than or equal to 3x plus 2. Hit graph. And now you can see that the shading is below the line here because it was less than or equal to 3x plus 2. Going back to y equals, you are now going to see a system of linear inequalities, which is what I want you to be able to do by the end of this distance learning lesson. You can hit clear if you want to clear out all of your keystrokes at the bottom of the screen. Now we are going to change this to greater than or equal to here. So this now reads y is greater than or equal to 1/2 x plus 3. And we're going to hit graph. That's the graph of y is greater than or equal to 1/2 x plus 3. Notice that the y-intercept is 3, 0, 3. And we can trace and go over and find the x-intercept if we want to do that. Okay, let's go back to the y equals screen. If we want to do a system of linear inequalities, we go down to the next line. We're going to change this one to to less than or equal to. So the top one is greater than or equal to. This one is going to be less than or equal to. And this is y is less than or equal to 4x minus 2. So we're going to plug that in. And hit graph. And notice it is graphing the solution to this system of linear inequalities. If we hit trace, we can scroll over using the arrow keys, and in order to find the solution, a solution point, which is actually a vertice, we can scroll, and where the two lines cross is a solution to this system of linear inequalities. Okay, we can clear this out. And when you finish, if you want to turn it off, you hit second and on. And now we can clear the history if we are completely finished. Thank you.